we'll guide you through how to set up Stripe payment processing for your website. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Stripe website and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, click on Sign Up and fill in the required details, including your email, full name, password, and country. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the dashboard. Look for the Activate Your Account button on the top right corner and click it. You'll need to fill out some important information like your business type, business details, and personal details. Be sure to have your bank account information handy as well, because you'll need it to receive payouts. Once you've entered all the necessary details, click on Activate Account at the bottom. Next, you'll see the option to create an API key, which is essential for integrating Stripe with your website. On the left side menu, click on Developers and then API Keys. Here you'll find your publishable key and your secret key. Keep these safe, especially the secret key, as it's sensitive. To integrate Stripe on your website, you'll typically have to paste these keys into your e-commerce platform or website builder. If you're using a popular platform like Shopify or WooCommerce, there are plugins available that make this process easier. Simply install the Stripe plugin and enter your API keys where prompted. Once you've done that, you'll have Stripe set up to accept payments on your website. Make sure to test the payment process by running a test transaction to ensure everything works smoothly. And that's it. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.